In this tutorial, we will go over how to make payments online. To make payments, we need to access your Campus Solutions account. Go to peralta.edu, hover over Students, then click Email/Canvas/Campus Solutions to get to your student portal. Log in with your Peralta email address and password. Once you're on the Student Portal dashboard, click the Campus Solutions tile. After you register for your classes, they will appear under your current semester schedule. Click the Financial Account tile to view your account summary. Here you will see your account's balance. If you click the Charges Due tab, it will give you a detailed breakdown of the fees. The Payment History tab will break down which of the fees that your payment went through. If you have any questions about the tuition breakdown, you can refer to the Tuition and Fees page on our international student website, which can help explain these fees further. Please note that the tuition and fees are due 2 weeks prior to your first day of class. To begin with our payment process, please click Make a Payment. Under the drop-down menu, select Credit Card for your payment method and click Next. Under Specify a Payment Amount, enter the specific amount to the charge item that you want your payment to be applied to. The payment amount should match the outstanding charges in each line unless you need to make a partial payment. Once you click the Calculate Grand Total button, it will add up to the total amount that you are making for the payment. When you are done, click Confirm. Review the total and click Confirm. You will connect to another site to enter your credit card information. If you have trouble loading this page or if the page reroutes you to a different website, please switch to another web browser such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox and clear your cache within your browser settings and try again. If you're using Safari on an iOS device such as an iPhone, iPad, or MacBook, go to your privacy settings and uncheck the boxes that says Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and block all cookies and reload the page. Enter your credit card billing information and click Continue. Verify your payment and credit card information is correct, then click Continue. Click Submit to submit your payment request. Great job! You have successfully made your payment and your balance should be updated immediately. If you need to make a second payment with a different credit card, you can do so now by clicking Make Another Payment. Otherwise, you're all done. If you wish to pay by cash, check, money order, you need to make the payment directly through your college's cashier's office. To pay by international bank wire, please contact the Office of International Education for further instructions. However, keep in mind that wire payments are not instant and can take about a week to process. Overall, the fastest and most secure way to pay for your tuition fees is with your credit card. Did you already pay certain fees but the health insurance hold or your bursar's hold came back on? If so, make sure that you have paid all balances that have an earlier due date first. Payments are applied in the order of the due dates. If you have a question about your account balance, please contact the Office of International Education. Thank you for watching How to Make Payments Online.